Fire Restoration, Syracuse. Property Restoration, Inc., disaster recovery teams you can rely on. And we work with all insurance companies. We're water mitigation specialists. Our response team will be at your door in 1 hour or less. We are also your fire board up and cleanup specialists. We're experts on fire damage restoration, smoke damage cleaning and restoration, and soot damage cleaning and restoration. Our disaster recovery teams work 24/7, including holidays, for all your fire damage, storm damage, water damage, board ups, and mold repair. Call us today at 315-454-0518 or 315-451-9111, or visit us on the web at www.propertyrestoration.com.